What's up, y'all? This is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. So we have a special video for you today because Dwayna, it's your birthday. Happy birthday, Dwayna. But yeah, today is my birthday, and I have decided to give you guys a get ready with me hair, nails, makeup, and outfit video because I thought that would be cute. And why not? It's my birthday, right? So I decided that since my birthday was on a Tuesday this year, I was going to celebrate the weekend before and the weekend after because Tuesday is a whack day to celebrate your birthday. So for the 23rd of October, we went out to dinner. I wanted to do the do, okay? I wanted to get done up because it's been a while, y'all. Like the pandemic has just made everything impossible. And, you know, I wanted to start my new year off on a good note. So I did all of this prep and you guys are going to see that after the break. But before we go any further, I want you guys to go down below and click that subscription button, click the notification bell. You guys can become a part of the most fabulous, the most glamorous community here on the YouTube, okay? We want you to be a part of the Glam Fam. There's a lot of great content that is up already, and there's a lot of great content that is coming. So be sure to click the subscription button and the notification bell down below. And without further ado, let's get into the whole production. Okay, y'all, we're starting with the nails. I just filed off my last design, and we are going to begin by pouring the Mia Secret Monomer into my Love by Verdi Nails Dappin' Dish. I'm going to be using Valentino and iGel Beauty in Cosmic Latte to create this design. First, we are going to fill in with the Valentino Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to do that to all the nails before I start adding the colored acrylic. Then we're going to add the Cosmic Latte by iGel, and I just love this color. This is something that I picked up at my local nail supply store, and it is one of my favorite purchases of late. We're picking up the Elite 99 Blooming Gel Polish, and this is just going to give us a very nice marbled effect. So first you put it on all the nails, and before you cure, you will pick up another polish and just put dots on your nail, and it will turn into marble. Right now I'm using the Gelixir White Gel Polish, and this is in the shade Snow White. This is also something that I got from my nail supply store. Right now I'm just adding the dots, and soon you will see what it looks like when it's fully bloomed. I'm going to use this Beatles collection. I will link it in the description box below, but it is a chocolate collection, and I'm going to use them to do half French, quarter French. I don't know what this is, but I saw this on Sugar and Cream's Instagram and I thought it was so cute, so I decided to replicate it. And then I'm going to use the Elite 99 Gold Gel Polish to do a little graphic accent. I'm going to cure it and then put a matte top coat on the top, and this is how it came out. These are so cute. I'm working on my line work, so don't judge me too harshly, but I think overall this came out really cute. Last week I gave you the specs on this wig. Today we are going to color it. So first we're going to use the Ion Color Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener and get that up to a very, very bright lightening. Now I'm going in with the toner to take out some of the orange tones. I actually ended up lightening the back twice because I felt like it was a little too dark. Next, I'm going in with the Intensive Shine in dark brown so that we can cover up any of the bleed through that we had from the bleaching of the knots, and then also just bring that brown a little bit down so that we can have an ombre effect. I'm going in with this GVP liquid hair gloss, and I don't remember the color of this either, so I'm going to leave that below as well. It is now D-Day. I just woke up, literally, just woke up. That is why my voice sounds like this. Don't say nothing about it. Okay, yes, I know I have a deep voice in the morning. Well, not morning, it's 5:46 p.m. Anyway, I'm getting ready to go to dinner, and this is where everything comes together. We are going to do the hair, do the makeup. The nails have already been done, and then we're gonna put on the outfit, and then we're gonna take some pictures and be cute for my birthday, okay? It's D-Day. D-Day 2021, okay? So anyway, we're gonna start with this wig. I wanna thank my friend CJ for the good braid down, cause y'all know if I did it myself, it would be like every 3 of these braids would be 1 braid, cause I don't like to braid my own hair. We're not doing a bald head because I feel like that's unnecessary right now. Especially since I'm gonna have this on for like all of 2 hours. I feel like a bald head cap would be too much. I'm gonna show you how the finished wig. It did not come out how I wanted to. The gold is a little too gold. Anyway, here it goes. Once I did the bleaching, the Mongolian Kinky Curly turned into wet and wavy. So we did some Bantu knots and took them out. And this is how the Bantu knots look, because I really wanted big fluffy hair tonight. Anyway, all right, so to tack down this wig, I have the EBIN Wonder Lace Bond that is latex-free, waterproof, and perspiration resistant, and it is this lace wig adhesive. It's this one and one that comes in red. I used the red one already, and I feel like my wig lifted really bad when I used that, so we're gonna try to use this one. Like, I be watching people on like YouTube and TikTok, and I be like, yo, how do y'all lay y'all wigs so easily? Like, I be struggling. Oh my goodness, it'd be like, no, you're gonna struggle, Dwayna. You're gonna struggle. And I don't wanna struggle. I just want it to be cute. Like, why can't I just be cute, God? Like, why do I have to struggle with this? And I think that's why I keep buying frontals, because I'm like, I need to be able to learn how to do this so that I can move on to the next thing. Because I really prefer closures, you know. But I'm like, I don't know how to do this good, so I need to learn how to do it. And usually if I don't know how to do something good, I just do it all the time until I learn how to do it, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? That makes sense. I probably shouldn't have did this all at once. I probably should have did one piece at a time, right? I don't know. Okay, so you guys know the drill. We are just using the blow dryer on a cool setting to dry this glue down, and then I'm going to tack it and dry it some more. I colored the lace. So maybe I could just use that as like, it's tinted now because it's brown. Girl, I be over here cracking myself up. Let's see how this looks. And if not, I'm going to put some makeup on it, and hopefully that'll work. Like the forehead still looks stressed because I colored the lace by accident. Guys, why am I like this? Why can't I do this right? Like, what is going on with me? Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh, this looks interesting. It still looks interesting, but that's okay. We're gonna get it. It's gonna get done. Okay, we're going to be cute when it's finished. We're gonna be cute. Okay, all right, so let's start the makeup. So today's makeup, I really wanted to do something like edgy. So I'm going to try to do not necessarily a graphic line. It's kind of like a graphic liner mixed with the Painted by Spencer under cat eye. We'll see how it turns out. Okay, so I'm going to use this Rare Beauty liquid illuminator to put on the high points of my face so I could be like super glowy. All right, now I'm taking my Nimae Beauty brow designer. That's what it's called. I never remember the name of this thing. I'm just gonna make my brows look like something. So I had to do the rest of my eyebrows off camera. They was acting a fool. We're going to pick up our B. Taylor palette, and we're going to pick up our B. Taylor eyeshadow base in the shade Tan. It's been a few weeks since I've been using these bases, and I really like them. Okay, so for my birthday, I got myself the Pat McGrath Utopian Dream palette, and I have used it once. I was gonna save it for like right now, but I couldn't wait, so I just got it and used it. And I'm really gonna do like something super simple, because remember, we're focusing on the liner. We're gonna go in with Shockwave, this one right here, and we're gonna put that all over our eye. Y'all, this really has great pigment. I just picked up a little bit so that it wasn't gonna be too bright, because I'm really going in with a big old wing in a few seconds. Drench Cosmetics Cosmic Liner. We're going to use that to line our lid. For the most part, it's going to be a regular winged liner up at the top. Sorry, I have to pay attention. I gotta pay attention. And now I'm going to speed through my face routine because you guys have seen this a whole lot of times. I'm actually going to link my latest face routine in the cards. So if you guys want to see how I conceal, contour, etc., all of that, you guys can tune into that video. I'm also going to link the products I used on my face down below. So if there's anything that catches your eye, make sure you check out the description box. So now I'm going to do the graphic liner part. If it doesn't come out good, then we're just going to make this a cat eye, and that's just gonna be it, okay? So I'm gonna clean it up, and then we'll see if it's cute. Is it cute? Is she cute? Y'all. Maybe once we put on lashes. Lashes make all the difference, y'all. I feel like this looks like ancient Egypt. In my head, it was really cute, you know. See, this is why I just need to stick to like regular glam. Okay, so I put on lashes and I feel like that makes it look a lot better. Like I went from ancient Egyptian to ancient Egyptian glam. Okay, y'all, we are nearing the end. I am picking up my wax stick and I'm gonna put that on the roots of the wig so that I can press it out to make sure that it is not sticking up in the air. I did use the KVD Good Apple foundation to kind of blur the hairline as well as define a part, so that the wig looks a whole lot better. I do like the EBIN New York yellow glue. I think it worked really well. It is not perspiration resistant though. I do need to tell you guys that. Okay, all right, hair is done. Makeup is almost done. We are going to put on our clothes and get ready to go to dinner, okay? All right, hold on. Okay, y'all, so I was trying to do like a full body thing, but it's not working. So basically, I have this dress right here. It is a bodycon off-the-shoulder dress. I got it from Reb Dolls. I thought it was really, really cute. I'm gonna wear this blue leather jacket with it just because it's chilly, and then I'll take it off when I'm in the restaurant, obviously. And then for shoes, I'm not really sure. So I have these. These are from ASOS. And, oh, actually, both of them are from ASOS. So I have the platforms, and then I have those. So I think I'm gonna wear the platforms because I like these better. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, y'all. I don't know how y'all do this with like a whole body. Like maybe I'm just too tall because y'all can't see my feet, which are very cute. So this is the dress. I think it's really cute. And then I'm going to just throw these over my shoulders in case it's chilly outside. This little blue motorcycle jacket. So this is it. All right. This is close up of the face. What are you laughing at?
People don't care about your fashion.
She don't care about my video. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Overall, I had a great time. I had a wonderful time. Dinner was really, really great. I felt like I looked nice. I was at the restaurant and I had gone to the bathroom, and to go to the bathroom you have to walk by the kitchen, and one of the girls that was in the kitchen, she was a black girl, she came out and she was like, I just want you to know, when you walk by, we was talking about you. We was like, you look good. Your dress is perfect. Your face is perfect. Your hair is perfect. And I was like, thank you so much. That made my day. Whatever, because I really wasn't feeling my makeup like that. Because I came up with something in my head and I was like, I'm gonna do it because I wanted to be different. But I know that the type of glam that looks great on my face is this glam, you know, like regular glam, like all that extra editorial stuff. Like sometimes I can get away with it, but you shouldn't experiment with that on your birthday. You get it? You feel it? Okay. My outfit, I love my outfit. It was my first time buying from Reb Dolls, and it was really cute. And so I think I might pick up some more things from there in the future, especially if I have places to go. I usually don't have no place to go. I just be here, me and the dogs. I'm gonna try and link everything that I used down below. I think that's all I have for you today. If you guys have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comment section below. Like, sometimes it takes me a while, but I always get to my comment section. I'll always answer a question. Be sure to like this video so that it can be pushed to other people who like the same content that you like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can become a part of the Glam Fam, which is the most glamorous, the most fabulous community on YouTube. We are growing. I love it. Let's keep growing, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.